Hello, in front of me I've got Avowed. In this video I'll show you how to manage stores. To manage stores, firstly go to the city or find merchant. Here we've got multiple merchants we can talk with. Each merchant sells different things. For example, this one sells food, this one sells armor and treasure maps, and this one sells weapons. We can also sell our items to the merchant. In order to do it, press L2 to go to your inventory and select thing you would like to sell. Marked things are the ones you are using currently. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.